Hey, salutations. It's Friday, da-da. I woke up and I'm going to try to remain awake until evening and go to sleep and start a regular sleep schedule, I hope. I've already started making the bird feeder. Oops. Oops. Alright, here we go. Here's the instructions, sorta. Here's a picture I did in 6th grade of a tiger. Okay, now I've got to put the old glasses on. Okay, I have some rough sawn pieces and I'm using this finger plane. Got a little blade. You can adjust the depth, but I have it so that it barely comes out. Trying to smooth it off. You have to be careful how you hold this thing, because if you hold it in the wrong place, you can get a splinter up your finger. Let's see. I'm kind of ambidextrous, but I favor my right. This wood, when you're doing this with a finger plane, you can tell which way the grain actually runs. It's a lot easier planing it this direction. Oh gosh, cameras everywhere. And then when I get it fairly smooth, take a piece of sandpaper. It won't matter too much to the birds and the squirrel. The squirrel will end up chewing chunks out of it anyway. There's a nice big nasty piece right there. Okay. Oh, come on, I just don't want that little chunk hanging up there. Okay. I'll continue, and then you'll see step by step as I go a little bit, okay? This little finger plane is one of my favorite tools. I could sit and plane on a piece of wood and for a length of time and it would be cool. It makes little wood shavings, which you can use as a starter in your barbecue. Providing the wood's not treated. If it's just plain wood, if it's treated, you shouldn't because of toxic fumes. This wood, I believe, is treated because it was a fence board, an extra one when I built the fence. I love building things. I love working with wood. It's a lot easier if you have all the correct tools. Oh dear, I have to readjust this. It's easier if you have all the correct tools, which I don't. You know, like a circular saw and a chop saw, things like that. It's a lot easier when you have all the correct tools, but it can be done. Hand saw, sandpaper, a rasp, whatever. It can be done very inexpensively. So anybody out there that has kids or Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts, church group that oops that wants to make projects, it's really a neat thing to do. See, it comes apart. Now can I get it back together? I think so. Oops, wrong direction. Oh dear. Well, I'm going to keep working on this. Yes, I should be doing 100,000 other things. I was going to mow the grass this morning, but it did sprinkle a little bit. It's too wet to mow. But that's okay because the grass isn't extremely long or anything, and I won't get in trouble with the city, which is about the only reason I really keep on top of it. It's healthier for your grass not to mow it too short all the time, which a lot of people do. Let's see if this works. Boop. Vacuum business. Well, I'll see you in a few, and perhaps I'm putting it together. I think I might need to buy a couple little hinges, or I'll just come up with a different system. Mother, how does that go? Oh, necessity is the mother of invention. Woo! Soft as a baby bunny butt. Will this work? I don't know. It's not working. Alright. So, I've got pretty much, I have to get the base put together. Tree hair. Yes, I think I will have to do something there, won't I? It won't work, will it? More adjustments. That's all I've been doing here. I mowed the grass earlier, ate a little bit of salad, and I'm back to work on the bird feeder. I am now working on the little parts where the birds will sit and all that good stuff. I've got most of it done. It'll only be a few minutes. At least that's what I thought an hour and a half ago. You know, I could have just bought another cheap bird feeder, but no, I had to make one. Oh no. Oh. Let's see what we gotta have. Alright. I don't know. Boy, I should sleep good tonight, that's for sure. I'm doing this all freaking afternoon, except for mowing the grass, and I will be very tired. Okie dokie. I know it's there. Yay. Couple more things and then we'll see how it goes. Ladies and gentlemen, I present the bird feeder. Oh my gosh. It's taken entirely too long. It is way late at night, so you'll just have to catch the birds feeding when it's light. But I have to get this vlog up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am exhausted. I can't bend over to pick anything up anymore after mowing the grass and oh my gosh. Oh, you know, it was a great idea when I started. Upward and onward.